Hello YouTube, this is Not Too Close To. I'm going to show you the winter storm that's going to hit New York City. It's exactly February 6, 2010, about 12 o'clock. I'm going to show you it from my car. The car's having trouble with Mercedes. It's a deep snow, about 3 inches so far. We're supposed to get about 5 by this afternoon. You see we have a white blanket coverage. It's not like a crazy snowstorm like a December 19th, 2009. That was crazy. Broke a record. The roads are all muddy, so the snow just stopped. It's gonna continue after. We're going to Bensonhurst right now in Brooklyn. Go and meet up my friend. I see some of these cars skidding all over the place, so car accidents and everywhere. Stay tuned for updates. Bye.